Hi everyone, thanks for ordering this week's meal kit. It's the Cubano pack, just set up over there. I've opened everything up, let's have a look what's in the bag. Over here we've got our pit beans, our Swiss cheese, our Cuban pork, spam cakes. I'm making a kit for 3, that's why I've got so much. My ham that I've already unpacked, some butter, smoked garlic and truffle mayo, American mustard, bread and butter pickles, and some bread. I've also got out a baking tray, saucepan, a cast iron skillet if you've got one, a kettle full of water, and I have a sandwich press. You might want a bag of rice in a big pan, that'll be fine. Okay, so first things first, what we want to do is preheat the oven to about 190 degrees. I'm going to pop our spam cakes, don't like that word, spam potato cakes on a tray, stick them in the oven. While our spam's in the oven, I'm just going to pop our pit beans and some Cuban pork into 2 pounds boiling water, or 1 if you've got a big enough pan, and I'm doing a meal kit for 3 here so it's a little bit bigger. Now set a timer for 20 minutes. Alexa, set timer for 20 minutes.
20 minutes, starting now.
And we wait. One thing while these are actually on, you don't want them boiling like crazy. That's a little too high. I'm just going to turn it down so it's not going to go like a hot tub with some beans in. Just going to have a check on the old spam cakes. If you can think of a better name, let me know. Looking pretty good, pretty good. Everything else over here just ticking over nicely. Just keeping your eye on it really. Okay, so we've got about 5 minutes left on our timer, so we're going to start having a look at organising our bread. I'm going to get a bit of the infused butter. I'll light a small ring, get this cast iron skillet on there. Put 1 teaspoon of the butter in the bottom of the pan. Just get that nice and warm. I'm going to build 1 sandwich at a time, then you get the idea. I'm doing 1 for 3. You can do 1 at a time, bang them in the oven with these guys, they'll be fine. Alexa, off. Okay, so the timer's finished. We're going to switch off the pan with the Cuban pork. We're going to turn down the pan with the pit beans. If you're in 1 pan, just take out your pork, give it a shake, snip along the top, stick it in a bowl. Make sure you get all that stock out of there. Right, it's time to start building the sandwich. First, I'm going to turn the oven down to 120 degrees. Then we're going to put Then we're going to put a couple of slices of ham, down like that, a couple of pieces of pork, and a bit of ham, 2 slices of the Emmental Swiss cheese, 4 of your pickles. Then get your top layer of your bread, a bit of the American mustard, good smother over the top like that, press it down. A little skillet pan with its butter nice and viscous. I'm going to bash that in, give it a good press, or if you've got something heavy, you can just stick it over the top like that, and give it about 1.5 minutes. What you want to see underneath is that foamy, like sexy butter, like that. Oh yeah, I just love it. Okay, so sandwich number 1 has had about 90 seconds in the pan. I toss it over, bread's nice and toasted. If you haven't got one of these, use a fish slice. No one has one of these. Bang that back on the top, give it a good press again. This only needs to be on for about 40 seconds. You can tell the bread. Ah, yes. Cheese is starting to melt. Both sides of the bread's nice and toasted. I'm going to take that out, I'm going to bang it in the oven, and that's how you do assembling your Cubano. Cubano number 1's in there now. I'll build my other 2. You can do them both at once if you really wanted to. When all your Cuban sandwiches are all finished, maybe they've been sat in the oven for 5 to 6 minutes like mine have. Nice and crispy, nice and gooey. Your spam cakes are nice and hot. Take them out. Put a little bit of your mayo. There he is. Just on the corner of the plate. Get your pit beans. After you've snipped the corner in, throw them on there. A bread knife or a pastry knife if you've got one. On the angle. Like that. Look at that. Look at it. One there. One there. Spam cake like that. There you go. Cuban feast. Enjoy, guys.